What if the key to achieving your goals and unlocking your true potential isn't about changing who you are, but fully accepting yourself as you are right now? In today's video, I'll share with you my personal journey and how embracing self-acceptance has been the catalyst for my own growth. Trust me, this mindset shift can change your life in ways you never imagined. Personal development often focuses on improving our weaknesses, but what if the first step to growth is embracing our imperfections? Self-acceptance is the foundation that lets us build a strong, resilient mindset. When we stop fighting against who we are, we open the door to growth, change, and empowerment. It's a source of strength that we can tap into whenever we need it. So what does self-acceptance truly mean? It means recognizing and embracing your strengths, your flaws, your past, and your potential. It's about giving yourself permission to be imperfect and appreciating the journey you're on without constantly comparing yourself to others. Many of us are conditioned to believe that we need to be perfect to succeed, but the truth is, perfectionism often holds us back. It creates fear, anxiety, and self-doubt. Self-acceptance, on the other hand, liberates you from this pressure. It empowers you to take action without the burden of needing to be flawless. It allows you to acknowledge your imperfections and still move forward confidently. When you accept yourself, you stop allowing your past mistakes or setbacks to define you. Instead of viewing failures as a reflection of your worth, you begin to see them as stepping stones to success. This shift in mindset is crucial for personal growth, as it allows you to keep going even when things don't go according to plan. Self-acceptance also means understanding your strengths and using them to your advantage. When you stop doubting your abilities and start trusting yourself, you unlock your full potential. The more you embrace who you are, the more confident and capable you become in pursuing your goals. So how can you start practicing self-acceptance? Start by practicing self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer a friend. When you make mistakes, be gentle with yourself. For instance, you can write a letter to yourself as if you were comforting a friend in a similar situation. Remember that growth doesn't happen overnight. It's a process, and that's okay. Another key to self-acceptance is self-awareness. Take time to reflect on your values, your strengths, and your weaknesses. By understanding yourself at a deeper level, you can focus on personal growth without the pressure of trying to be someone you're not. Self-awareness is like a light that shines on your true self, leading to confidence, and confidence opens doors. Finally, stop comparing yourself to others. Social media and external expectations can cloud our sense of self-worth. But when you focus on your own journey and celebrate your progress, no matter how small, you begin to see how far you've come, and that's when your true potential starts to shine. Are you ready to embrace your true self and unlock your full potential? Hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on personal development. Turn on the notification bell so you can continue your journey towards self-growth with us. The next video might be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. Remember, believe in yourself, strive for greatness, and together, let's achieve the impossible.